In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Windows while keeping your personal files safe. This is a quick and easy process that helps fix system issues or slow performance without deleting your important data. To get started, go to your taskbar and click on the search box. Type Settings, and when it appears under the Best Match section, click on it to open the Windows Settings window. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click System. Now, scroll down until you find Recovery and select it. Under the Recovery Options section, you'll see an option labeled Reset this PC. This is what we'll use. You'll also notice it mentions that you can choose to keep or remove your personal files while reinstalling Windows. Click the Reset PC button to begin. A new window will appear with two options: Keep My Files or Remove Everything. To reset your system without losing your personal data, choose Keep My Files. This option removes apps and settings but keeps your documents, pictures, and other personal files intact. After selecting that, you'll be asked how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose between Cloud Download, which downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft's servers, or Local Reinstall, which reinstalls Windows using files already on your computer. Both methods work, but Local Reinstall is usually faster if your files aren't corrupted. Go ahead and select that option. Next, Windows will prepare the necessary files. Once that's done, you'll see a summary of what's about to happen. It should say that Windows will reset settings to default, keep personal files, and remove all apps not included with the system. If you want, click the link that says View Apps that will be removed to see what programs you'll need to reinstall later. Before continuing, double-check the summary to confirm you've chosen the right option. If you're using a laptop, make sure it's plugged into a charger. The process can take some time, and your PC will restart several times during the reset. Don't worry if it turns off or restarts multiple times. That's completely normal. Once everything looks correct, click the reset button. Windows will begin the reset process. It may take anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours, depending on your computer's speed and selected reinstall option. When it's finished, your system will restart and load into a fresh copy of Windows with all your personal files still intact. After setup is complete, you'll need to reinstall your apps and adjust your settings again. But your important data, such as documents, photos, and downloads, will still be right where you left them. And that's how you can reset Windows without losing your personal files. If this tutorial helped you, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.